Today, we're diving into the most efficient lemonway transaction settlement trick designed to optimize your payment flow and speed up fund access. Lemonway, as a payment institution, allows businesses and marketplaces to manage payments securely, but settlements can sometimes be delayed due to standard processing times. By applying a strategic approach, you can reduce waiting periods and streamline your cash flow. The trick centers around timing and transaction structuring. First, initiate transactions early in the business day, ideally before 11 a.m. Lemonway processes batches throughout the day, and early submission ensures your funds enter the first available settlement cycle. Avoid late-day transfers, as these often get queued for the next cycle, delaying access by 24 hours or more. Next, focus on transaction amounts. Large, consolidated payments tend to trigger additional verification steps. Splitting transactions into smaller, regular amounts can reduce verification flags and expedite settlement. For example, instead of sending a single $5,000 transaction, breaking it into 5 $1,000 transfers can result in faster processing and less hold time. The final element is account setup optimization. Ensure your KYC documents are complete and up to date, and link your primary business account to Lemonway. Accounts with verified, matching banking information experience fewer delays and smoother settlements. Combining these steps, early initiation, structured amounts, and optimized account setup, creates a seamless settlement flow. Funds can appear in your business account within the same day, reducing downtime and enabling faster reinvestment or operational use. This approach doesn't require third-party tools or bypassing security measures. It leverages the platform's internal processing logic to work in your favor. By understanding how Lemonway batches and verifies transactions, you can maximize efficiency and minimize waiting periods, keeping your business agile and cash flow consistent.